Today we're going to figure out how to paint a popsicle.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what is the history of the popsicle?
Alright, let's run through the color.
Titanium white, Mars black, primary yellow, Indian yellow, primary magenta, Quin red, phthalo blue, Quin blue, phthalo green.
Let's get the party started! Alright, today we're going to do a popsicle. So it has this 3 grids plus the popsicle, and we'll see where it goes from there. Alright, we got started with the popsicle. Hopefully the first part was taped. I don't think it was. I taped the colors, like who cares about that part, right? So we have this yellow kind of bleeding into the purple, so I'm going to have to retouch that up. This is kind of too watery, obviously. The color is good. I'm going to add more depth to here, kind of get these outlined better. And I think the shadow works pretty well here, maybe a little bit darker in this area. This is okay so far, and we'll see where it goes from here.
So the popsicle was this invention by this kid, Epson, who was making around kind of mixing soda with water and left it on the porch overnight with a stick in it in Oakland, and it froze overnight, which is very unusual because Oakland usually the temperatures never freeze, so that's highly unusual. So he just kind of pure luck, and then in 1922 he actually filed a patent for it. But as soon as he filed the patent for it, then Good Humor came after him and sued him, and they settled at court, and basically he got the rights to make only the icy versions of popsicle, while Good Humor was able to make kind of the creamier custard versions under the Good Humor name. And so he had the license from Good Humor even though he invented it, but he invented it when he was a kid, so that's kind of the problem. If you file your patent late, then someone can come to the table and steal the invention from you. And later he had to sell, in 1928, he was flat broke and actually had to sell all his rights to the popsicle off, and it kind of broke him, spiritually, because that was his invention and his pride and joy. So that's the end of the popsicle. Now it's owned by Good Humor, surprisingly enough. All right, that's my question of the day, guys.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we got this nice yellow, warm, bright top with purple. And then I've used kind of the classic red, white, and blue popsicle. And it has kind of these grooves from the photo, so I added those. It's not exactly the classic one I was looking for, which is kind of like this triple thing and then it goes to a point. I couldn't find that. I guess no one likes those. That's the one I really wanted to paint, but I mean, this is close enough. I think it turned out pretty good. Out of all my ice cream, it turned out probably the best. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting review. Thanks for watching, guys.